Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you all learned the formula. Ready with the formula, isn't it? Okay. Let's revise. Let's revise what you have learned in the yesterday's class. Okay. So, Karthik, I will switch off. Karthik, what about the slope of the tangent? Slope of the tangent is given by? Slope of the tangent is given by? Yes, Aishwarya.
dy by dx.
Okay, Karthik. It is given by dy by dx. Aishwarya, what about slope of the normal?
Minus 1 by dy by dx at x1.
Minus 1 by dy by dx at the point x1, y1. If the point is not given, you can leave it, write it in terms of x and y. If the point is given, in the place of x and y, we should substitute that point x, y. If the point is not given, we will be writing in terms of x and y itself. Okay. Anila Mohanan. Anila, not there. Okay. Tomlin, if two lines are parallel, what can you say about the slopes? If two lines are parallel, what can you say about the slopes?
Equal.
Tomlin.
Ma'am, equal.
Slopes are equal. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, Aparna?
Ma'am, product of the slope is -1.
Product of the slope is -1. If two lines are perpendicular, product of the slope is -1. So in yesterday's class, we learned how to find out the slopes, how to find the slope of the tangent, how to find the slope of the normal. Today, in this session, we are going to learn how to find the equation of tangent and equation of normal. Equation of tangents and equation of normal. So write the heading, equation of tangents and equation of normal. Equation of tangents and equation of normal. First is equation of the tangents. First one is equation of tangents. Equation of the tangents. So, listen children. So, equation of the tangent means it is a line. Okay, tangent means it is a line which touches the curve at one point. So, equation of the tangent at the point x1, y1. At the point x1, y1 to the curve, y is equal to f of x. To the curve y is equal to f of x is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Where what is m? M is the slope of the tangent. So equation of this tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of tangent at the point x1, y1. Okay, that point x1, y1 only we are substituting here. x1, y1. To the curve y is equal to f of x is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is m? M is the slope of the tangent. M is the slope of the tangent. Next is, you copied that formula children? You copied? Tomlin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next is equation of normal. Equation of normal. So equation of normal to the curve, equation of normal to the curve, equation of normal to the curve y is equal to f of x at the points x1 comma y1. Equation of normal to the curve y is equal to f of x at the point x1 comma y1 is given by y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. What is m? Again, slope of the tangent. Slope is given by dy by dx. So what is m? M is dy by dx at the point x1, y1. It is dy by dx at the point x1. So what is the equation of the tangent? Equation of the tangent is given by, yes, give the
Y
formula.
minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And what about the equation of the normal? Equation of the normal is y
Y
minus
minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus
x
x1.
minus x1. Okay. See, yesterday's class we learned about the slope of x-axis and y-axis. If a line is parallel to x-axis, what can you say about the slope? What is slope of x-axis? What is the slope of, yes. Slope of x-axis is
0.
0. And slope of y-axis is
Undefined.
not defined. Slope of y-axis is not defined. Okay, write down. Note. Note. Okay, this whenever we write this as note or remark, these are all important 1 mark questions. Okay, these are all important 1 mark questions. Note, remark are all important. Before, okay, when you go learn for the exam, go through these notes. Note. If dy by dx is 0, if dy by dx is 0, okay, if dy by dx is 0, then what we can say, normal is parallel to x-axis. Normal is parallel to y-axis. Normal is parallel to y-axis. Normal is parallel to y-axis. And equation of normal is, the equation of normal, equation of the normal at x1 comma y1 is x is equal to x1. X is equal to x1. Equation of the normal is x is equal to x1. This is the first point. If the slope, if dy by dx is 0, then the normal is parallel to y-axis. And its equation is x is equal to x1. If normal is parallel to y-axis, what can you say about the tangent? What about the tangent? Normal is parallel to y-axis. So what about the tangent?
Tangent is y-axis.
See?
X-axis.
X-axis. Tangent will be parallel to x-axis. Tangent will be parallel to x-axis. Again, the second case. If dy by dx is infinity, not defined. If dy by dx is equal to infinity, then what we can say, tangent is parallel to y-axis. Tangent is parallel to y-axis. In here, both the cases we are giving in terms of y-axis. Tangent will be parallel to y-axis, and its equation is x is equal to x1. And its equation is x is equal to x1. Okay. So now it's two problems based on this. We are going to solve problems based on this. Write the question. Write the question. Find the equation of the tangent. Find the equation of the tangent. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to the curve y is equal to minus 5x square plus 6x plus 7 minus 5x square plus 6x plus 7 at 1 by 2 comma 35 by 4 at 1 by 2 comma 35 by 4. Read the question. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to minus 5x square plus 6x plus 7. Y is minus 5x square plus 6x plus 7. At the point is given. Point means at which point we are going to do. Point we denote it as x1, y1. At the point, at which point we are drawing the tangent, that one we denote it as x1, y1. So x1, y1 is 1 by 2 comma 35 by 4. So what is the equation of tangent? What's the formula for equation of tangent? Equation of the tangent is given by, what's the formula? Tomlin, equation of tangents.
dy by dx at the point.
Equation of tangents.
And y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is m? M is the slope. M is the slope of the tangent. It is given by dy by dx. So we are going to find out what is dy by dx. So what is dy by dx? Can you tell me what is dy by dx? Minus 5 into, what is derivative of x square?
2x.
2x. Plus 6 into, derivative of x is 1. Plus derivative of 7 is 0. So we'll get minus 10x plus 6. Minus 10x plus 6. dy by dx is minus 10x plus 6. Now the point is given, isn't it? What is the point? At the point 1 by 2, comma 35 by 4. What is the slope? Slope m is equal to dy by dx is equal to, substitute that. At the place of x, we can substitute. What is the value of x? 1 by 2 plus 6. So what is the slope? What will be the slope?
1.
1. M is 1. So apply all the values. Now we know what is m, what is x1, y1, everything is given. Substitute it. Y minus, what is y1? 35 by 4 is equal to m is 1 into x minus 1 by 2. That is, we should simplify and we should write it in the general form of a line. Y is 35 by 4 is x minus 1 by 2. Now take all the terms to one side. X minus y plus 35 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is 0. Take the LCM. Simplify. Simplify this. What you will get? If you want, we can multiply throughout by 4. If you multiply throughout by 4, we get 4x minus 4y plus 35 minus 2 is 0. Is it correct? Multiplying by 4. Multiply throughout by 4. In order to remove that fraction, we are multiplying throughout by 4. So we get 4x minus 4y plus 33 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Is the required equation of tangents. The required equation of tangents. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Okay, is it okay? Now the next question you are going to try. Write the question. Write the question. Find the equation of the tangents. Find the equation of the tangents and the normal. Equation of the tangents and the normal to the curve y is equal to equation of the tangents and normal to the curve y is equal to x raised to 4, y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. Y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. Only x value is given, isn't it? Y value is not given. Now read the question. Now if you read the question, children. Aditya, Satyan, read the question, Aditya.
Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. At
You're
x
asked
is
to
equal
find the
1.
equation of the tangent and normal to the curve. To the curve, y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at x is equal to 1. Okay, so first thing is when x is 1, you find out what is y value. When x is 1, what is y? How will you calculate this? How will you calculate this, Aparna?
We'll put value of x in y, x raised
Very
to
good, Shubham. Substitute the value of x as 1 in y, isn't it? So 1 raised to 4 minus 6 into 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square minus 10 into 1 plus 5. Find out and tell me what is the value of y.
minus 23.
Minus 23. Is it correct, Karthik? Shubham, you check your answer, Shubham.
Miss it 3.
Shubham, what is the answer, Shubham? Check your answer.
Minus 23.
How will you get minus 23? What is 1 raised to 4?
1 minute, I put. Ma'am, it's 10. Minus 10.
Again wrong. Check it. 1 raised to 4 is 1. Is or no? 1 raised to anything is 1 itself. So you'll get 1 minus 6 plus 13 minus 10 plus 5. Sorry. What is the value of y? Karthik, what is the answer you got?
3.
Ma'am, 3.
3. Okay. So if x is given, we can substitute the value. Okay. If x is given, we can substitute that value in y and we can calculate the value of y. X is given. We are substituting it and we are finding the value of y. Okay. Now, so the record point x1, y1 is x1 is 1, y1 is 3. So we got the point x1, y1. Next thing is we want to find m. Okay, we want to find m. What is m? dy by dx, slope of the tangent. So y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. Now find out what is dy by dx. Find out what is dy by dx.
4x cube
4x cube
18x square
Hmm.
plus 26x
Hmm.
minus 10.
minus 10. So at the point at x1, y1 is equal to 1, 3. Find out what is dy by dx. Find out. X in the place of x, you can put 1. So what is m?
MS2
3. M is 2. Is it correct, children? Aparna?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Do it, do it. Is it okay, Anila Mohanan? Are you getting value of MS2? So dy by dx is equal to m is equal to 2. Okay. Is it correct, Tomlin? Are you getting MS2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So next, let's find out what is the equation of the tangent. So the equation of tangent. So equation of the tangent is, what's the formula? Equation of the tangent is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus, what is y1? Y1 is 3 is equal to 2 into x minus 1. Open the bracket, simplify and give the equation.
2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0.
2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0.
0.
Once you find the equation, find the next thing, equation of normal. Equation of normal. Equation of normal is given by y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So what is y minus y1? 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. So this by 2 cross multiply, simplify and tell me what is the equation of the normal.
Y minus 6 is x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0.
One more time repeat it. X minus
x plus 2y
Hmm.
minus 7 is equal to 0.
Check this answer, children. Is it correct? Check it.
Two x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0.
No, Shubham. Check your answer. Cross multiply. Check the sign. When you transpose it, positive will become negative. Negative terms will become positive. Check. Is it correct? Recheck. Karthik, what is the answer you got?
X plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0.
X plus 2y minus 7 is 0.
Ma'am, it is 6 no. X minus 2y plus 6.
No,
Plus
see, when you
5.
cross multiply this, Shubham, you check it. When you cross multiply this 2, what you will get? 2y minus 6 is here. Negative sign is outside. And you open the bracket, negative x plus 1. We take all the terms to one side. Negative x on going the other side, it will come plus minus 6 minus 1 is 0. Is that no, Shubham?
Okay, ma'am.
No. Okay, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, note down that these two questions as homework. Note these two questions as homework. First one, find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent and normal. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve. Equation of tangent and normal to the curve. Y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. Equation of tangent and normal to the curve. Y square is equal to 4ax at the point at square comma 2at. At the point at square comma 2at. Next one, find the equation of tangent and normal. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve 16x square plus 9y square is equal to 144. 16x square plus 9y square is equal to 144 at the point x1, y1. At the point x1, y1, where x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is greater than 0. Where x1 is equal to 2 and y1 greater than 0. Tell me, children, how will you do this? Second one. Yes, tell me. X1 is given as 2 and y1 is greater than 0. Why this condition is given? Can you guess why? Yes? Karthik?
We should substitute x in the equation and find the value of y.
When you find y, what happens? What type of equation is this?
Plus or minus will come.
Yes, we are having square terms, isn't it? When you find square, when we take the square root, we'll get plus or minus. So we'll get positive value for y as well as negative value. We'll be selecting only that value which is greater than 0. That means we'll be selecting, suppose we are getting y value is plus or minus 3. Then I'll select y1 is plus 3. Okay, we select only those value which is greater than 0. Okay, so these two questions are at home, are homework. These two are homework questions. Now write the next one. Find the equations of tangents and normal. Find the equations of tangents and normal to the ellipse. Find the equations of tangent and normal to the ellipse x square by a square, to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 at the point x1 comma y1. At x1 comma y1. Equation of the tangent and normal to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 at x1 comma y1. Okay. So how we are going? We are asked to find, instead of giving number, here we are asked to find the tangent and normal at the point x1, y1. Okay. So first let's find out what is the slope. Let's find out what is the slope. Okay, 1 by a square is constant. Can you give the derivative here? What will be the derivative when you differentiate with respect to x? Differentiating with respect to x, what you will get? Aparna. When you differentiate this, what you will get? Karthik, can you try this one? Yes. What is the derivative of x square?
2x.
2x. So what is the derivative of x square by 5? X square by 5. Derivative of x square by 5.
2 by 5x.
Okay. Derivative of x square is 2x, 2 by 5x. The same way here also. Same way here also. Derivative of x square is 2x by a square plus y square. If you differentiate 2y by b square, whenever we differentiate y term, we should write dy by dx is equal to 1. If you differentiate, it is 0. So 2y by b square into dy by dx is equal to this positive term. If you take to other side, you will get minus 2x by a square. Therefore, what is dy by dx? By b square, if you take it to other side, it will become into b square by 2y into 2y. 2 will get cancelled. So we will get dy by dx is equal to minus x b square by y a square. Minus x b square by y a square. So this is dy by dx. So at the point x1, y1. So at x1, y1, what is m? In the place of x, this is the point given. So in the place of x, we should substitute x1. In the place of y, we should substitute y1. M is equal to minus x1 by b square by minus y1 by a square. At the point x1, y1. At x1, y1, m will be equal to minus x1 into b square by, no minus here, okay, here minus is there only in the numerator. Okay, after finding the slope, you write the equation. What's the equation of tangent? Equation of the tangent is, the formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here y1 is y1 itself. What is m? Minus x1 b square by y1 a square into x minus x1 into x minus x1. Next step, you cross multiply this. Y minus y1 into y1 a square is equal to minus x1 b square into x minus x1 into x minus x1. Now you open the brackets. Distributivity. So when you open the bracket, y1 a square minus y1 square a square is equal to minus x1 b square plus x1 square b square. Okay, now rearrange the terms. Now rearrange the terms. By rearranging the terms, we will get, first I'm writing the x term, x1 by b square plus y1 by a square minus x1 square b square minus y1 square a square is 0. It is 0. Now listen here, children. x1, y1 is a point on, this is a point on the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So we will get, it will satisfy. This is a point on the ellipse. So it will satisfy the equation of the ellipse. So we will get, x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square is 1. That is, when you cross multiply this, x1 b square plus y1 a square by a square b square is 1. That is, x1 b square minus y1 a square is a square b square. Is it okay, children? If you take the point x1, y1 is a point on the ellipse. So it will satisfy the equation of the ellipse. So x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square is equal to 1. Now you cross multiply this. So x1 square into b square plus y1 square into a square by a square b square is 1. By a square b square, if you cross multiply, we will get x1 b square minus y1 a square, not minus, plus y1 a square is equal to a square b square. Now look at the equation of the tangent. So in the equation of the tangent, in the last step, we can rewrite the terms. We can take negative from the last two terms as common. So we'll get x1 square b square plus y1 square a square is 0. But what is x1 square b square plus y1 square a square? We'll get a square b square is 0. This is the equation of the tangent. This is the equation of the tangent. This is the equation of the tangent. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Are you able to follow this?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
The equation x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square, x1 has square, right?
x1?
X1 also has square, right?
Yes.
But when you wrote the equation down,
Sorry. No, it is square is there. Yes. Then only we'll be able to substitute it here. Okay. By mistake, I missed the one square there. Okay. Now is it okay? Okay. After finding equation of the tangent, find equation of the normal. You find equation of normal. So what is the equation of the normal? Equation of the normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by, what is m? In the beginning we have calculated m. What is m? M is minus x1 b square by y1 a square. So minus x1 b square by y1 a square into x minus x1. So here we have negative terms. These negatives will get cancelled. So we will get y1 a square by x1 b square into x minus x1 is y minus y1. Now cross multiply. Y minus y1 into x1 b square is equal to y1 a square into x minus x1. Now open the bracket. When you open the bracket, you will get x1y b square minus x1y1 b square is equal to xy1 a square minus x1y1 a square. That is, when we rearrange the terms, xy1 a square minus yx1 b square minus x1 y1 a square plus x1 y1 b square is equal to 0. This is the equation of the normal. This is the equation of the normal. Okay. Do this question one more time. Okay. So then only you'll be able to do this. Okay. Try this again. Make it thorough with the method we have learned. Is it okay, Aishwarya, Aparna?
Ma'am.
Do this question. Okay,
Yes,
particularly
ma'am.
it is little bit confusing because we have used x1 and all. If you miss any one or dash, everything will get changed. So do this again one more time. Is it okay, Anila?
Ma'am, can you show once more time?
Okay. Which part you want to copy, Shubham? The last part?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it again. Okay, one more time. Do this as homework. The same question.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, finished.
Okay. Okay, children. So in the next class, do the homework, learn the formula, and thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.